हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर न्यू सेक्शन जिसमें हम हर दिन आपके लिए कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन लेके आते हैं विच इज ईदर directly influential on your decision of which B school to opt for, which entrance exams to appear for, या फिर ये आपको बहुत सारी चीजों के बारे में अवेयर करता है जो आपके इंटरव्यूज में या आपके जीडीज में आपको काम आएंगी. So today what we are discussing is there was an article recently on blog on why record numbers of women are taking to the MBA. तो ये एक बहुत ही कॉमन चीज है जो हम नोटिस कर रहे हैं आजकल that compared to the last few years हर साल the number of women who are applying for an MBA and who are pursuing MBA as a career is increasing. तो इस आर्टिकल में ये बातें लिखी हैं कि how do you think is this shift happening and why are more and more women getting inclined towards an MBA. तो उस बारे में हम आज डिस्कस करते हैं. तो ये जो आर्टिकल है इसने बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स कवर किए हैं. महक गुप्ता एंड तन्वी सावंत आर सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ IIM बैंगलोर. तो ये जो दो लड़कियां हैं IIM बैंगलोर के करंट स्टूडेंट्स हैं, सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स मतलब कि बैच ऑफ 2019-2021. उनके बैच में 37.4% वुमेन है विच इज एन ऑल टाइम हाई फॉर IIM बैंगलोर. इसके पहले कभी इतना बड़ा परसेंटेज ऑफ वुमेन स्टूडेंट्स हैज नेवर बीन देयर. इसमें the overall percentage of the top 6 IIMs for the class of 21 tots up to 33.5% up from 26% the previous year. तो guys पिछले साल के comparison में there has been a 7.5% increase in the number of women in the class. तो ये बहुत बड़ा increase है and this is such a good news क्योंकि more and more women are now opting for their career of their choice, right? More women are seen holding positions of power and influence and are involved in decision making. They are now supported to climb the ladder and hold leadership positions. This leads to more women joining B schools as it acts as a catalyst in their journey of becoming good managers and leaders. ये बोला है तन्वी सावंत ने, who herself is the current student of IIM Bangalore. And Mehak Gupta says that B schools have realized that for a wholesome classroom experience, it is essential to have representation of opinion and diversity in thought. A skewed male classroom will only be discussing ideas and thoughts from their point of view. Not that they are wrong, but they are not fully representative of the society to which they will be applied. तो ये जो पॉइंट है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है जो कि महक गुप्ता ने बोला है. उन्होंने बोला है कि अब जो कॉलेजेस हैं दे हैव रियलाइज्ड कि इक्वल रिप्रेजेंटेशन का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है और अगर मैक्सिमम लड़के होंगे या मेजॉरिटी लड़के होंगे तो वो सिर्फ एक पर्सपेक्टिव लाएंगे किसी भी चीज के लिए. इट्स नॉट दैट दे आर रॉन्ग बट एक दूसरा पर्सपेक्टिव भी है जो कि विमेन लेके आती हैं विच इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो ये तो दो चीजें हैं, ये सब जो है वो हमें दो जो करंट स्टूडेंट्स हैं IIM बैंगलोर की उन्होंने बोला है. और क्या है इस आर्टिकल में दे हैव लिस्टेड आउट अ फ्यू रीजंस कि व्हाई डू दे थिंक that there has been this shift in the number of women who are applying for an MBA. So let us discuss that. पहला पॉइंट है इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ टाइम एंड मनी, राइट? तो ये दोनों चीजें जाती हैं एक MBA में. MBA is not a cheap affair. MBA from really good institutes can be a costly affair. और टाइम तो जाता ही है. एक साल के MBA भी होते हैं बट मोस्टली द 2-year रेगुलर MBA is the more popular one. तो ये जो बोल रहे हैं नम्रता राजगोपाल who passed out of ISB this year and is set to join a top consulting firm says at the end of the day doing an MBA is a significant investment of money and time. Women will choose to invest if they're reasonably assured of landing great job. Hence the corporate sector's push for equal pay and greater diversity definitely plays a role. तो नम्रता राजगोपाल who is an ISB graduate says कि MBA में टाइम और मनी दोनों जाता है और women are very conscious of their decisions. तो वो तभी इन्वेस्ट करेंगी जब उन्हें पता है कि उनका टाइम और मनी जो इन्वेस्ट हुआ है उस पे उन्हें एक सिग्निफिकेंट रिटर्न मिलेगा in terms of the kind of jobs they end up with, और which is why corporate sector में equal pay और greater diversity बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करता है. In this second paragraph as we can see इसमें लिखा है IIM Kozhikode has upped the gender diversity quotient the most. Postgraduate program and management batch of 2020-22 has female students constituting of 52% of the cohort of the 492 students. तो more than 50% जो batch है वो women से भरा हुआ है. There are more number of women as compared to men. तो ये जो है इसमें बहुत सारा डिटेल में दिया है, बट आई थिंक वी शुड जस्ट स्टिक द मेन पॉइंट्स दैट इक्वल पे एंड जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी जो कंपनीज आजकल बहुत ज्यादा फोकस कर रही हैं, it is one very major reason why women are opting for an MBA more as compared to the previous years, right? What is the second point? The second point is strength to managerial roles, right? So the chairperson of IIM Bangalore says that B schools run career oriented programs. The demand for management education among women is triggered by two developments. One, organizations are encouraging women professionals by promoting them to senior positions. Although the proportion of women in leadership has a long way to go yet, there is a recognition of the need to encourage women. इससे ज्यादा important है, women have been increasingly demonstrating that they bring strength to leadership and managerial roles that men do not. तो बेसिकली इन्हें दो पॉइंट्स बोले हैं कि दो डेवलपमेंट से ये चीज ट्रिगर हो रही है. पहला है कि जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं वो वुमेन प्रोफेशनल्स को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं सीनियर पोजीशंस पे. आजकल वुमेन लीडर्स हम देख सकते हैं, ऑल्दो ये परसेंटेज बहुत कम है, बट स्टिल देयर इज अ गुड इनिशिएटिव दैट इज कमिंग अप. और सेकंड है कि वुमेन हैव बीन इंक्रीजिंगली डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिंग दैट दे ब्रिंग स्ट्रेंथ्स. तो जितनी अगर जिन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में वुमेन हैं और सिग्निफिकेंट नंबर ऑफ वुमेन हैं, वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस ने ऑब्जर्व किया है कि the kind of strengths that women bring into managerial roles, men do not. Like multitasking, empathy, and the ability to carry people are one of the few. Right? तो ये जो दो points हैं, ये बहुत important points हैं कि organizations जो है वो enable कर रहे हैं इस decision को for women. Right? So this was the second point, that they are bringing strength to managerial roles. The third point is the selection criteria, which I think is a very, very important point. कि आजकल जो बी स्कूल्स हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा फोकस कर रहे हैं ऑन देयर डाइवर्सिटी. सो वी सी दैट दे आर मेकिंग अ कॉन्शियस एफर्ट टू ब्रिंग इन मोर डाइवर्सिटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ जेंडर ऑल्सो एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशंस ऑल्सो. We have noticed that the most working professionals find it hard to take a 2-year break for B school as the opportunity cost is high, and this is even higher for women. तो ये ISB के बारे में बात हो रही है. Our 1-year program slashes that cost straight away to half. This feature of our PGP course encourages more women candidates to apply to ISB compared to the B schools for 2-year programs. So as we all know, ISB ka 1-year program is one of the most popular, and especially for those who are currently working in the industry or have some experience in the industry. तो selection criteria हो गया है. IIM Bangalore's Mishra says in its interview panels, it is evident that increasingly women seek independence socially and economically, right? Parents seem to play a big part in encouraging, sometimes even fueling these ambitions. During interviews, we gather this sense based on so many individual narratives. Again, it is not as if this change has cut deep into Indian societies. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स हैं. इसमें है कि जो सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया होता है वो इस तरह से होता है कि दे आर पुटिंग इन कॉन्शियस एफर्ट टू मेक श्योर कि कॉलेजेस जो है वो डाइवर्सिटी को बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दे रहे हैं. The limited data that the B school has, he says, does suggest that these positive developments are not uniform across all demographic profiles. They said they are significant enough to suggest a large catch-up phenomenon at work. Right? So again, there are a lot of instances from different B schools, from different organizations जो इस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. And let us now move on to the next point. How is this change coming along? This is support from family. And yes, support from family is one of the most encouraging things that can happen to not just women, to anyone, but women especially these days, because this is the reason कि बहुत सारी women now they think are capable enough to apply for an MBA. उन पे बहुत ज्यादा societal pressure नहीं है as compared to the last few years. So this is one of the reasons, and other reasons include the Companies Act making it mandatory to appoint a woman director for specified companies. So women can see that there is scope for them, there are opportunities for them. Also, women have started adapting on, always available workplace culture. तो पहले जो women थी, they were a little bit hesitant when it came to, you know, night shifts or extra hours or extra effort and all of that. But these days, women are working on the same level as men. They do not have issues with night shifts. They do not have issues with stretching their work hours. And I think that's working in their favor. Most of the changes are driven by GER, gross enrollment ratio for higher education. And now with digital training programs available like Coursera and edX and the like, we are witnessing a larger pool of qualified and upskilled women professionals in hiring pipelines. So this says that जो हमारे पास Coursera type के जो platforms हैं जहाँ पे we can take up courses and certifications and all of that, तो हम women are upskilling themselves, and this is reflected in their work in the organizations that they are working for. So guys, we discussed a few points, and I think this is a very good, it's a fresh news that there are so many women who are opting for an MBA, and it is very encouraging. So for all the women out there who are watching this video, big congratulations to you guys. We are going really far and we have a long way to go. And for all the men who are watching this video, please motivate your female friends, your family, your whoever that you know, that MBA is now also very, very crucial for women. And it is completely okay for women to aim for something like an MBA because equal opportunities हैं. और in fact, women को काफी ज़्यादा importance दिया जा रहा है in terms of diversity. So please apply for an MBA. I will urge you to subscribe to Cat King, to follow our videos, to press the bell icon. हम ऐसी बहुत सारी news लेके आएंगे आपके लिए. If there's anything that you have to discuss, please discuss in the comments. Ask us. We'll make sure that we answer all your queries. And I'll see you very soon with another piece of news. Until then, keep working hard and all the best.